Hey guys, so I'm just in the suburb of Glenbrook in the Blue Mountains, finding an old railway tunnel. Whether we can get in, I have no idea, but I'm just going to film it anyway because it's there and it's not in use, well, not as a rail tunnel anyway. So we'll see what we can find. Yeah. Looks like it could be off to the right here. Alright, or down here. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, there is. So there's the tunnel face. Not getting in, but the whole point of the video is basically just finding it. Personally, I wanted to find it, and might as well just film it along the way, I guess. But old mushroom tunnel. Well, used as a mushroom tunnel after it was closed. But yeah. Anyway, that's that. Something random and small I wanted to show you guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll catch you next time. Bye.